Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2007 ML Mitsubishi Triton GLXR dual cab. This vehicle sustained damage to the right hand side. This shape ran from the 7th month 2006 to the 8th month 2009. This vehicle is fitted with a 6G74 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine, backed by a 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, nudge bar, left hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. We have the left hand power door mirror. Left hand front door appears to have no damage. Left hand rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear. Left hand tail light. Rear bumper cover and step, tow bar, right hand tail light, 16-inch factory alloy mag wheel, right rear, has a good tyre, right hand power door mirror. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black and grey cloth interior. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission center console, tidy automatic transmission gear stick, factory AC controls, display cluster, tidy interior mirror, tidy left hand sun visor in grey, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right hand sun visor, tidy automatic transmission instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.